got my Mamiya 6 and I got some Kodak Tri-X 400. So, good morning. So it's another day in Zadar and I'm going to explore it a bit more. So today I'm going to do a comparison between my Nikon Zf and the Deep Tone Monochrome, and I got a Mamiya 6 loaded with Tri-X. So I'm super curious to see how they look side by side. So I'm going to go around, shoot a roll of Tri-X and do a comparison and see how those deep tones stack up against each other. So it's going to be a great battle. Nikon and the Mamiya. So these both have a 28mm equivalent camera lens in it. Extension. Go. The Mamiya 6 MF, the Samuel L. Jackson version of the Mamiya 6. Still my favorite to this day. It shoots panoramic as well, but I'm going to stick to 6x6. So I'm thinking if we should try to get up onto the wall here. See where there is a stair. I think we find it in here. No. Oh, look at those mountains in the distance there. I'm not sure it gets picked up by the camera, but that looks awesome. Clouds rolling in. Is that snow? I think it's snow. It's completely snow covered still. Amazing. Huh. Oh, there's the stair. I think we had some Serbs in action. So what you see is a house full with looks to be sniper rifle bullet holes. It's quite windy here. I can see some swimmers out there, so maybe it is something to do.
Aspetta basta. Non diamo questi. Dobra?
It's Sunday here in Zadar, and I've come out to the Roman Forum, and it's absolutely packed with people. So I guess that's a thing. Sundays are probably when the locals are coming out. You also see a lot of these tourist groups just milling about. The other days it's been completely empty, but now it's actually quite crowded. But it's a lovely day as well. Sun is shining, it's quite warm. That's the old Roman column. So I'm gonna go up here and take some photographs for the comparison. The Tri-X versus Deep Tone Monochrome. It is getting a bit bright, but maybe that's a good test to see how complete sunshine affects what it looks like then. I'll take some shots here. Konoba, which means restaurant. Dalmatia, that's the region we're in. Looking at here, spaghettis, 15 euros, 10 euros spaghetti. Oh, it's not too bad. All right, that was that. Taking one roll of Tri-X. So as you can see, compared to how it was a couple of days ago, it's completely filled with people. So what I heard is that they come in with buses on Sundays. So I'm guessing from the countryside or something like that. Not sure if it's foreign tourists. It's hard to tell sometimes. It's actually quite tough to get the shots now. You got to, there's lots of people, so you gotta wait quite a while sometimes to get a people-free image. But I still got the Tri-X in here, but as you might be able to see, I put a orange filter on because it's so bright out. This would reduce my exposure with 2 stops. And give me quite a lot more contrast. I think also the skies are going to be quite a lot darker. Zadar wall from the other side. Looks pretty cool. This would be the mini beach. Looks quite nice actually. I thought it would be a little bit rougher than this. Maybe it's not exactly what you picture a beach to be. Well, maybe it is a bit what I imagined it would be. Yeah. It's not a legendary beach by any means, but it's actually the closest you can get to the water in Zadar. So go back into Zadar Old Town again. I'm exploring the back streets of Zadar, see if I can find some shots. Let's see what I have here. Okay, that was the last one. That concludes my Tri-X versus Deep Tone Monochrome adventure. So I'm just gonna get home, develop it in Rodinal, and scan them in. We'll see what it looks like. Thank you very much.